Have you ever wondered if your cat actually knows their own name, or if they are just ignoring you on purpose? Here on Feline Minds, you will discover the exact science behind how your cat processes your voice, why they act so indifferent, and how you can train them to respond every single time. Most people assume cats cannot learn words, but research proves they can recognize around 30 distinct human words, with their own name being the most important one. The problem is that your cat's brain filters out everyday human speech as background noise, meaning your voice often sounds like meaningless chatter to them unless you structure their name correctly. To make your cat's name jump out from background noise, you need to use a short name, ideally 1 or 2 syllables, containing sharp consonants and high-pitched vowel sounds. Names with hard sounds are instantly easier for a cat's auditory cortex to isolate. If you give your cat a long, complex title, their brain simply will not register it as a call sign. Your delivery matters just as much as the word itself. When you speak to your cat, you must use a distinct, slightly higher tone that you do not use during regular conversation. If you say their name in the same monotone voice you use on the phone or when speaking to someone else, your cat will blur the word into the rest of the noise. You should also avoid overusing their name. If you repeat it constantly throughout the day without any clear purpose, your cat experiences habituation, which means they learn to tune the sound out completely. The fastest way to establish name recognition is through positive association during high-value moments. Every single time you hand over meals, offer favorite treats, or start a high-energy play session, speak their name clearly right before the reward arrives. Your cat will quickly calculate that hearing this specific sound directly predicts something beneficial. You can actively train your cat in short, dedicated sessions. Stand a few feet away, say their name in a clear, upbeat voice, and the second they glance at you, immediately offer a treat and physical affection. Never use your cat's name when you are scolding them or taking them to something they dislike, like a carrier or a bath, because negative associations will cause them to avoid you when they hear that sound. Kittens process new information rapidly and can master their name in just a few days. Adult or senior cats can still learn a new name, but their established habits mean the process requires consistent effort over several weeks or months. If you call your cat and they do not run over, do not assume they failed to understand you. Unlike dogs, who are bred for cooperative tasks and immediate physical responses, cats react to their name with subtle body language. A slight twitch of the ear, a slow blink, a head tilt, or a shifting tail tip means your cat fully recognized their name and acknowledged you, but simply chose not to move. Understanding these psychological cues allows you to build a much stronger bond with your pet. If you want to master feline behavior and unlock more secrets about your pet's mind, subscribe to Feline Minds right now and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.